I'm Mara Balagtas, and
I'm Francisco Balagtas.
we're about to eat. Hi, good, how are you? Can we get 2 Taylor ham, egg and cheese sandwiches on toasted everything bagels?
Jersey Bagels are doughier than New York Bagels.
We've probably been eating Taylor ham, egg and cheese our whole lives. They also are a great cure for hangovers. It's perfect.
That sandwich was like 1970. A lady, she created the sandwich, and students they start to come up with the idea about what it has.
One of the fat sandwiches has a double cheeseburger, lettuce, tomato, french fries, mayo, and ketchup all inside.
I haven't gotten to the meat of mine yet, but I can see that's gonna be my next bite.
I have to say, this is delicious.
White Manna was introduced at the World's Fair in 1939. It's very similar to White Castle. These were the guys who did it first, and this is the more original experience.
It's a little crowded in here. We're gonna get some burgers to go and eat it in the car.
As simple as it is, with just a Martin potato roll and ground beef and cheese and onions, it just comes together.
So good. We are headed to Clifton, New Jersey to go to Ruth's Hut, famous for their hot dog sandwich called the Ripper. This is so good.
I think the crispness of the dog, because of the fry, you don't get that in a hot dog.
We are headed to our final stop, Hoboken. We're going to Fiore's. It's a very classic Italian deli. Roast beef, fresh mozzarella that they make in-house and that they're pretty famous for.
All around it. Have a taste of that.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
So good. So good. I don't even have words. I mean, I'm just